Hi everybody, this is H, and this is the Gerber suspension pliers, multi-pliers. A field-tested classic that never disappoints. The suspension is the benchmark tool of convenience and durability. The easily accessed butterfly design features spring-loaded pliers and a lightweight frame for long days and tired hands, with 12 other tools always ready. 15 tools in total. It's a nice looking multi-tool, stainless steel construction. The Gerber website has it listed at $41. You can find it cheaper other places. The same guarantee still applies. Spring-loaded needle nose plier, regular plier, wire cutter, tool lock, plain edge blade, which is very sharp, large flathead, cross driver, saw, can opener, small flathead, scissors, serrated blade, also nicely sharp, tool lock, and bottle opener. It's a really nice durable tool. It's a little bit weighty and bulky, but that's coming from a person who uses Leatherman Micra a lot, so I don't always bring this out. Mine looks really good because I don't always use it. If the purpose of a multi-tool is one that you have on hand to use all the time, this one's on hand. You don't use it all the time, but it is well priced. So, take a look. I think it's a 3.5 out of 5, and it's really good for the price. But if you want something you're going to use all the time, I might not use this all the time. Then again, if a person was going from site to site and needed to make sure they had multiple tools in different areas, and needed to leave one in the office, this is a good one to leave in the office for if you show up and you forgot your pliers. There they are in your desk. So a good multi-tool at a good price. Not the best, but certainly sturdy, well built, and very useful.